Now looking at solving trig equations in a specified domain, we have page 211 here, question 5, starting with 3 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 4 cos theta within this specified domain. So first, I'm going to subtract 3 cos theta off both sides because we can actually treat these as if they were a variable, and so what we end up with is negative 1 is equal to cos theta. Now thinking about cos theta, cos is a simply adjacent over hypotenuse. So if we have a value of 1, that means that our adjacent side has to be equal to our hypotenuse. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cast rule to understand what quadrants we're looking at, which in this case is going to be quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 because it's negative. So if we think about what our triangles have to look like in these quadrants, they roughly need to look like this. However, one thing to note is that in order for our adjacent side to be equal to our hypotenuse, the other side needs to be equal to 0. In other words, these both fold in on the x-axis, which means that we actually only have one answer, which is 180 degrees. Lastly, you just simply convert that into radians, which is just equal to pi because of our specified domain is in radians, which means that our answer is just theta is equal to pi.